Craving something warm and hearty? Welcome back to the Vegan Food Scientist. Today is the Harvest Pumpkin Chili recipe. Now follow along with me. I already cut up some onions. This is some celery. So we'll have maybe one stick of celery, including the leaves. We have 2 plum tomatoes. So 2 plum tomatoes including in our prep today for our pumpkin chili. That will give the umami boost flavor. Now, I have this big old hunk of pumpkin here. You may have a smaller pumpkin, a cute pumpkin if you want. And we're just going to skin it and slice it ever so thin. So take out the seeds and the skin here, and the pumpkin really adds that starch and adds that boost of flavor and structure to your chili. So slice it yay thin. All right, good to go. Now I have dehydrated and rehydrated. We're going to some shiitake or dried mushrooms. So I'm going to chop that up very, very finely. Grab about, I'd say about 3, I think. 3 or 4 there. And keep that liquid, as that is extra flavor into our chili. Next, the spices. All right, so we have some sage and some oregano going into the pot. Now, I particularly like sage as it gives that poultry type of flavor to your chili. Oregano, we have, what else? We have cayenne pepper, the almighty cumin. So this is the main flavor base. Paprika, smoked paprika is also the next flavor base of your chili. And I added 1 bay leaf. 1 dried bay leaf is sufficient. Now, because this is vegan, we're using a vegan meat. So we just got in the pot here hot oil and some lovely soy curls that I've rehydrated. So slice that up and stir fry it up until you are golden brown here. And then you're adding your mirepoix. We have 2 or 3 cloves of garlic that I have micro-zested. Add your spices. Next, brown. And once that's about brown, you turn it down. Add a little bit of water and the rest of your vegetables and your meats and we have black beans and a half a can of canned tomatoes, pureed tomatoes. Now I added a dash of vinegar. You have salt. A bit of stir here. More water for consistency. Dash of liquid smoke. And here we are. So all you have to do is simmer on medium-low for about 20 minutes. Throw that in a crock pot if you're really lazy. And voila! Now I have these basically no-fat cornbread jalapeno muffins and some cashew sour cream. So if that interests you, check it out. The recipe is on the website. You guys have a great day and keep it vegan, y'all.